Are you worried that teens aren't engaged in learning after COVID-19 or during the summer? Do you want teens to have a chance of being part of something bigger and better than days full of this or this? Well, the Civil Air Patrol just might be the program for you. The Civil Air Patrol, sometimes called CAP or CAP, is the civilian auxiliary of the United States Air Force. Made up of over 55,000 adult and teenage civilian volunteers, CAP offers many exciting, rewarding, and fun activities. Boston Cadet Squadron is the local CAP unit in the Boston area. All teens in CAP, called cadets, have the opportunity to learn leadership skills and do STEM activities like taking powered aircraft and glider orientation flights at no charge. Cadets who are interested in becoming career pilots may become eligible, again at no cost to them, to earn their pilot's license for free through CAP. Go to GoCivilAirPatrol.com for more information and to Boston.CAP.Gov for info on our next open house.